Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for an EasyPaisa account. First, you'll need to download the official EasyPaisa application from your smartphone's app store. Make sure you have a valid Pakistani mobile number and your computerized national identity card, or CNIC, readily available. Once the app is installed, open it and look for the register or sign up option to begin your journey with EasyPaisa. Next, the app will prompt you to enter your 10-digit mobile number and your 13-digit computerized national identity card number. After submitting these details, you will receive a one-time password, or OTP, sent directly to your registered mobile number via SMS. Carefully enter this 6-digit OTP into the designated field within the EasyPaisa app to verify your identity and move forward with the account setup. Now it's time to create your secure 5-digit mobile personal identification number, or MPIN. This MPIN is crucial for authorizing all your future transactions, so choose something memorable yet strong. You will be asked to confirm your chosen MPIN by entering it a second time. Always keep your MPIN confidential and do not share it with anyone to ensure the security of your EasyPaisa account. Congratulations! Your EasyPaisa account is now successfully created and fully active. You can immediately begin to enjoy the wide range of services offered, such as paying utility bills, sending money to friends and family, and much more. Take some time to explore the EasyPaisa app to discover all the convenient features and benefits available at your fingertips, making your financial life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.